Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are Instagram templates koffie, and this is grid post, and there are 3 PhD templates. Out of Photoshop. These all are customizable. Here you can edit them. Post 3. You can edit text here and elements. You can see, and so there. You can add background image also, and just like other stuff. And this is 2 and 3. Back post and grid. These are files are free to download from our website GFX. And here it's editable. You can edit text and other. Okay, so here are Instagram stories and product posts. For example, just open stories. There are 4 PhD templates. Here you can write text, and this is title. These all are customizable. These are more than one post. You can replace image here. And you can edit any way you want. It's all customizable completely. And so these are other stories: portfolio, catalog, promo. Okay, you can edit this text and write text over here you want to share. You can customize any way you want. These are all customizable. And you got it. And here this is product post. Post 1, post 2, and there are more posts in 1 PSD or PSP, whatever it is. And here it is. And here you can do. I have some issues with my mouse, so these are completely free downloadable just from my website Instagram templates koffie, and here in this post you can download from here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.